Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. We have a regex issue that needs solving. The challenge revolves around matching specific strings in a table with a set pattern, but avoiding unintended matches that interfere with the desired results. This problem arises when comparing values like PC with 18:1D7, LPC, causing unexpected matches that we want to eliminate. Now, onto the solution. We can tackle this by modifying the regex pattern used for comparison. The key is to include word boundaries to ensure an exact match. By using \regex-translate and \, we can create a regex expression that accurately identifies the desired values without unintended matches. The code snippet to address this is expression equals stricat, / and lt wink with a frown, regex-translate, escape, char lipidata j2, / in gt. In summary, by incorporating word boundaries and escaping special characters in the regex pattern, we can effectively avoid unintended matches and accurately identify the specific values we're looking for. With this approach, we ensure precise matching and eliminate any discrepancies in the results. Remember, precision is key when it comes to regex. And that's a wrap. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Keep coding, stay curious, and may your regex patterns always match perfectly. See you next time.